guys, what's up? Today I'm randomly in my Snuggie. It's called The Comfy. I got it for Christmas. But today, you guys, I'm with my friend Maddie. I don't know if you can see or hear her. I don't know. So, Maddie, say hi. I don't think you can hear. But, I can't hear because I'm making a video apparently right now. So, yeah. But today I'm going to be doing random things with my fidgets. And I did this a long time ago, but I don't know if anybody saw that video even. So this is how to make a snapper out of a wacky trap. So first, get it like this, which is pretty easy. And you want to make a plus sign. So I just do two sides like that. And then we make one side. It should look like that maybe. And then we just snap everything in. Boom. I have my hair in like a braid thing. I don't know if you can see it, but after you have it in a plus sign, then you have to fold the tips like that. And when you're done, it should look just like that. And then you basically made it. You can just boom. At first I couldn't even make mine into a plus sign, but yeah, I ended up eventually doing it. And right now, I'm getting out all of the tangle. This one, for some reason, I just can't put into one of these. But this is not all of them, but this is some of them. So, I'm gonna get one of the recent videos I've made is putting them into a pack. Putting, like, a color-coordinated pack. So, it should be easy to find them. I think that's all. I don't see any more. So, yeah, that must be all. So, we're just going to undo all of them. Boom. Sorry, hold on. This is all of them. And I'm scared this video is going to cut off. Wait. I think you might be able to hear her, but I don't know if you can. So just in case, Maddie, say hi. I'm on the phone with my friend Maddie right now. Bestie. But here are all of my tangles. I'm going to be rating every single one of these. Anyways. So this is a yellow and red tangle. It is super easy to tangle. Yeah, I can hear you. I don't know if you can hear my bestie Maddie, but I'm hoping you can. I'll have to watch this video and see if you can hear. But yeah, so this one I'd say is about a 9 out of 10. Yeah, a 9.5. This one is a blue and red tangle, as you can see. And I'd say this one is a 10 out of 10. It's amazing. I like the clinks and sounds that it makes. Boom. This one is probably one of my favorites. It's purple, green, blue. Purple, green, blue. I like all the colors on it. I kind of wish it had more yellow, but it's fine. Oopsies. That's what I also like about Tangle. You can just like connect them all and make a huge tangle. And this is a 10 out of 10. It's a yellow and purple tangle. Makes extra loud sounds and it's super easy to just mess around with, you know? Yeah, my friend Maddie is cleaning her room and she almost hit a trash bag on her chair. On her fan, sorry. Would have ripped that open. Yeah, I can see. Um, this one is an 8.5 because it breaks apart so easy, but it's super easy to just mess around with and it's super pretty. So yeah, this 9.8, 10. So here's all of my tangles. I'm gonna connect them into one big tangle. Uh, uh, uh. Oop, wasn't expecting it to break into two pieces. Uh, uh. She just hit her wall. Anyways, yes, I'm wearing shorts under this. Anyways, so now we are going to connect these into a huge tangle. What? Mm, what kind of bugs? Ew. Anyways, my friend Maddie just found bugs in her room. Dead bugs. What? Oh, is it a cockroach? Is it a spider? What is it? A mosquito? A stink bug? A stink bug? Is it a stink bug? It's a worm! That's disgusting. Yep. This won't connect to anything. Yeah. Excuse me. She just said she forgot that I was on video. Ow! My thumb. Oh my God. This probably isn't. It'll just be the odd one out. But this one is not gonna fit on anything. We might just have to make this a tangle. Because this is going in well. This might determine this one. Sure. Why can't I make this a tangle? I'm determined to at least get through it. This is just gonna have to be a tangle, you guys, okay? It's just gonna have to be my large tangle. We're gonna connect these back real quick and then we'll work on that. I'm gonna try this one. These going in. That one. This one. These won't connect. And I'm spending way too much time on this. You know what, you guys? We're gonna do this later because we need time for this video to be complete. So now I'm gonna show you my favorite fidgets. Or at least some of them. This is some of my favorite fidgets. Number one is my double digit. Very nice setting up. Next is my puzzle ball. Basically, move these around and try to match them with the rings. It's already solved. Because, yeah. She just asked if I could tell her why it smells like fried chicken. But I don't know. I can't. But this magneto is one of my favorite fidgets also. Don't mess with. This is my most favorite fidget. Nice. It pops on both sides. This is my favorite side. Now I think I have another fidget over here. Hold on. Nope, I guess it's just in the thing. Sorry that took so long. Guessing it's in here. Right here. Thought I had these in a separate thing. These are all of my snappers. So I have a fry snapper that I got at Five Below with my friend Maddie. I have this, which I think I got from Easter. And I got this from my brother. We're going to continue trying to snap this together. I'll just do that in the video. Anyways. And I don't really have time to get out all of my puppets because, let's just say, I have a lot. But this is from one of my notebook puppets. I just disconnected the thing. So now it's a nice little puppet. A large one. And this is one that I got. It was either from Tennessee or something like that. It was in some other different thing like Tennessee or something, but it's a butterfly puppet with little butterflies on